Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 100-pack of Band-Aids. These are really neat Band-Aids because they're all sorts of different shapes and sizes. So this would be great for any sort of different hurt that you have here. In here you can see all of them lined up nicely. You've got big Band-Aids, the colors are awesome, that will be great for kids. And then you also have a lot of smaller Band-Aids as well. So we are going to get some of these out and show you what they look like and try it on. Each one of them, you just easily open it up. I love this style because you can put it anywhere. The fabric is nice and soft, breathable. You put this on, say you want to wrap it around your finger so you can still move it around. You just simply put it on here, and then you can tie it all the way around and still be able to use your finger. So we're going to place that on there, and now you can still bend. Because of this bottom part here, you still have a lot of room on both sides. And then you have your generic Band-Aids as well. Like I said, you have a lot of different size choices in here to be able to use on all sorts of areas, whether it's your knees, your arms, fingers. These are fantastic. I love how bright they are because kids really like bright Band-Aids. So these are going to be great, and how comfortable the feeling of them are. It'd be nice that they can just move with your body and be fun colored.